In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly access Microsoft Teams using your Gmail account. Whether you're using a browser or the app, this straightforward guide will help you get started quickly. Let's dive in. First and foremost, you'll want to have your browser open or your Microsoft Teams application ready, depending on your preference. Once you've got that sorted, the next step is to click on Sign In. This initiates the process of accessing Teams, setting the stage for you to engage in all its collaborative features. When you arrive at the sign-in page, you'll need to enter your Gmail email address. This is your key to connecting with Microsoft Teams using Google credentials. It's a nice touch that allows seamless integration for Google users, and it's worth noting that this system enhances convenience, allowing you to use an account you're already familiar with. After inputting your Gmail address, the system will then redirect you to Google's login page. This is a very standard procedure that ensures your credentials are processed securely. It's important to address that this step underlines the commitment both Microsoft and Google have towards maintaining security while providing efficient access. On the Google login page, go ahead and enter your Gmail password. This step is crucial as it's your verification method, confirming your identity before granting access. As a tip, always ensure your password is strong and unique, as this is critical in protecting your account from unauthorized access. After entering your credentials, you might be prompted to authorize access. This essentially means you're allowing the integration between your Gmail and Microsoft Teams. It's a straightforward, secure process that requires you to click authorize or allow when prompted. Doing this enables a seamless flow of data, which enhances your user experience on Microsoft Teams. Once you've completed this authorization, your sign-in process will be almost complete, and you'll gain full access to Microsoft Teams. From this point on, you'll be ready to collaborate, chat, and engage with Teams efficiently. If it's your first time, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface, explore different features, start a chat, or schedule a meeting. The world of virtual collaboration is now at your fingertips. In summary, accessing Microsoft Teams using your Gmail account is a simple and effective process. By following the steps outlined here, signing in, entering your Gmail email, going through Google's login page, and authorizing access, you'll be set to maximize Microsoft Teams benefits. I hope you found this guide helpful and feel ready to dive into all that Microsoft Teams has to offer. Thanks for watching and happy collaborating.